Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how exceptions work in Java. First we're going to see the code and the result of this code, then the explanation. As you can see here we have the class except that extends the exception. Then we have the exception class which contains the function f. In f it has a catch and a throw after being caught of this exception. Thus, we have throws one more time here in the header of this function. Then, here in the main, we have this code is being executed, and we're going to see the final output of this code. Okay, let's go deeper into the execution. As always, we always start from the main. Here we have integer n equal to 0, try, and we have a loop of 4. For n equal to 1 and less than 5, n plus plus f of n, f of 1. F of 1 means I'm going to go upstairs here and put n equal to 1. N 1 is it different from 1? No. So it only executes the finally. We always, in a try catch finally, we always execute the finally whenever we, even if the try didn't have any errors, we go to finally. If we had the error and it was caught by a catch, we always go to finally. Thus, here it will print finally in f minus n, which is equal to 1. We continue. After execution of the finally, it will go back here to try and continue with another 4. Now for 4 we have n equal to 2. Okay, n equal to 2, n equal to 2, we go up here. Now n is equal to 2. 2 different from 1, yes, it is different from 1. So it will go inside the if, and here we have an exception. Throw new exception, it will throw the exception that we have declared earlier. Of course, it will be cut here because we have a catch for this type of exception, and it will print catch in fn plus 2. So here is going to be equal catch in fn equal to 2, and then it will go to the throw e. Here, even though it throws an e, which means that it will pass this error code here to the function that called this function. But as we have said earlier, whenever we have try, catch, and finally, even if we have a throw e or even a return inside of our function, we always go and execute the finally block. So finally in fn equal to 2, it's gonna be displayed here, and then the throw e is passed to this block here. It will cause an exception, it will be caught by this exception, and it will thus print catch in main n2, and of course it will execute the finally statement, which is finally in main n2. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe.